Wild animals generally do not seek to eat humans for a variety of reasons, rooted in biology, behavior, and ecology. Understanding these reasons requires a closer look at predator-prey dynamics, human impact on animal behavior, and evolutionary adaptations. 1. Evolutionary history and natural instincts. Throughout evolution, many predators have developed specific hunting techniques and dietary preferences based on their environments and the prey available. Most wild animals have evolved to hunt animals that are typical for their ecological niche, such as smaller mammals, birds, or fish. Humans, being relatively large, bipedal, and lacking natural defenses compared to many prey species, do not fit the profile of a typical food source for most carnivorous animals. 2. Human behavior and size. Humans are not only larger than many of the prey animals that predators typically target, but they also exhibit behaviors that often deter attacks. For instance, we walk upright, which gives us a different silhouette compared to common prey species, and we often make loud noises or move in groups. These behaviors can signal danger or a lack of vulnerability, making us less appealing to wild animals that rely on stealth and ambush techniques. 3. Fear and caution. Many wild animals have a natural instinct to avoid large, unfamiliar creatures. This instinct is a survival mechanism. Interactions with humans often lead to negative outcomes for animals, such as hunting, habitat destruction, and other forms of human encroachment. This historical context contributes to a general wariness of humans among wild populations. 4. Dietary preferences. Predators tend to have specialized diets. For instance, lions primarily hunt ungulates like zebras and wildebeests, while wolves hunt smaller mammals like deer and rabbits. These preferences are shaped by the energy costs of hunting and the nutritional value of different prey. Humans do not provide the same caloric return relative to the effort required to capture and consume them. 5. Chemical deterrents. Humans produce sweat and other bodily secretions that contain various chemicals. Some of these compounds can be unappealing or even repulsive to animals. For example, the scent of humans can signal danger to carnivores, causing them to avoid potential encounters. Additionally, our diets and lifestyles contribute to distinct scents that may not attract wildlife. 6. Social structure and pack behavior. Many predators hunt in packs or rely on learned behaviors passed down through generations. When they encounter humans, the response can be influenced by the group's shared experiences. If a predator has learned to associate humans with danger due to hunting or habitat loss, it is less likely to consider humans as potential prey. 7. Habitat and range overlap. While human encroachment into wildlife habitats can lead to increased interactions, many wild animals have adapted to avoid areas heavily populated by humans. Urban development and agriculture can displace wildlife or force them into more remote areas where they are less likely to encounter people. 8. Defensive mechanisms of humans. Humans have developed various means of self-defense, from physical tools to social structures that protect individuals from threats. This adaptability makes us a less appealing target for many wild animals. Additionally, in many cultures, humans learn to recognize and respond to potential threats, further decreasing the likelihood of being preyed upon. 9. Incidence of attacks. While there are rare instances of wild animals attacking humans, these occurrences often arise from unique circumstances. For example, animals may attack when they feel cornered, are protecting their young, or if they are starving and desperate. In most cases, these attacks are not a reflection of a preference for humans as prey, but rather a reaction to perceived threats or unusual situations. 10. Ecological balance. Predators play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance by regulating prey populations. As humans are not a natural part of most ecosystems, their presence does not contribute to this balance. Predators that might otherwise have an opportunity to view humans as prey do not do so because humans disrupt natural ecosystems and do not fit within the typical food web dynamics. Conclusion. In summary, wild animals do not typically seek to eat humans due to a combination of evolutionary adaptations, dietary preferences, learned behaviors, and instinctual caution. While humans and wild animals can intersect in their habitats, the relationship is generally characterized by avoidance rather than predation. Understanding these dynamics can foster greater respect and appreciation for wildlife, emphasizing the importance of conservation and coexistence in shared environments. 4 to Mini.